Hi guys, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you how to print an array while using the while loop. And here is, first of all, here I'm going to create a variable. Here is I is equal to 0 and here is the while condition and here is this. So now in this case, we are going to use the same concept that we have used to print the array by using the for loop. Here is, first of all, we have to get the length of the array to complete the condition. Here is, first of all, here is test.length. This statement will return the length of this array into this variable, that is len. And now what is going to happen, we are going to apply the condition. This loop will run until I is less than length of the array, that is 5. First of all, I is equal to 0, 0 less than 5, so loop will continuously run. And then what we are going to do, we are going to print the array inside the div by using append. And here what we need to do, first of all, array name, and then we have to give it index. At the first, the index is 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5. So condition is false, so the loop will end. So it is just using the same concept that is used inside the previous while we are printing the array by using the for loop, and here we have to increment the I, and here is, I hope all the values are printed. So what is going on? At the first, the I is equal to 0 and the length of the array is 5, that is stored inside this len variable, and I is less than length of the array. I is equal to 0, 0 is less than 5, so 0 is I is equal to 0, so now it will print the value of the 0 index. Then it is increase, I is equal to 1, I is less than 1 is less than 5, then I is equal to 1, so the indexes become 1. So at the 1 index we have the value 45, then indexes become 2, 3, 4. So all the values are printed when the index I is equal to 5, so 5 is not less than 5, so loop will end. So in this way, all of this array will be printed on the screen. This is just like the same method that we have used for the for loop. So here I want to tell you something. You can also apply another condition, that is here. If we, here I'm going to remove it. If we just write this, if I is if we just write array name and its index. So what is this statement? This statement is just checking while here at the start I is equal to 0, so I is equal to 0 at the start, so test 0 index value is 90. So this statement is just checking at the 0 index is defined, it have any value or not. If it is undefined, so loop will end. This condition will be false. And if the 0 index have any value, so the condition will be true, that value is printed, and then I is become 1. So then index is 1, so this loop will again check at the 1 index we have any value or not. So we have a value, then it is printed, then it is incremented to the 2. Here is the index 2, it have the value, it is printed, then index is 3, it have also the value, then it is printed, then index is 4, it have also the value, it is printed, and then we have increment the 4 to the 5. Then 5 index have not any value. At this time, here the condition is become false. This syntax is just checking the while this index have any value or not. So now at this time, 5th index have is undefined, so this condition is false and it is not going to print on the screen. And here you see that it is printed. So numbers are printed just like this. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. That is about do while loop. So what is the do while loop? Let's see in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Here I'm going to add in the comment like this. You can also apply I is less than length of the array. You can also apply this condition like this, or here I'm going to cut it from here and apply it here. You can also define this condition, so you will remember this thing. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.